Hey, welcome back to the Maliky Academy, your home for simple, clear tech information. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you want to stay safe and smart with your tech. Today, we are diving into a super important question. Is someone secretly monitoring your PC? Here is how you can check in just a few minutes on Windows 11. Step 1. Open Task Manager. Just press Ctrl Shift plus Escape. Look for any unfamiliar processes or high resources usage from unknown apps. Step 2. Go to the Startup tab in Task Manager. Disable anything that looks fishy or that you don't recognize. Step 3. Head to Settings, Apps, Installed Apps. Look through the list and uninstall anything you didn't install yourself. Step 4. Open Windows Security and run a full scan. This can help detect spyware or monitoring tools running in the background. Step 5. Check if Remote Desktop is enabled. Go to Settings, System, Remote Desktop. If it's on and you didn't enable it, turn it off. Bonus tip. Open command prompt and type netstat space -ano. It shows active connections. If you see unknown IPs, you may want to investigate them further. Remember, staying secure is all about awareness. If you found this helpful, like the video, share it, and hit the subscribe button for more clear, quick tech guidance. I see you in the next one.